Hi, and welcome to today's May 27th stimulus package update. If you're a subscribed member of my community, welcome back. If you're not, subscribe right now so I can keep you updated and bring you other smart money tips. All right, now yesterday I introduced you to two new stimulus proposals that are floating around the Senate. The first seeks to give $5,000 to people from their future Social Security benefit and would be paid back with a 3 to 4 month delay once you actually turn on Social Security benefits. The second is a back-to-work bonus incentive program that would give $450 a week, as presented by Senator Portman. Okay, on the $5,000 program, we don't know yet if this would be for non-retired Americans only, since they haven't tapped into their Social Security benefits, or if it would be available for everybody under a certain income cap. I know many of you asked in the comments yesterday, would this be wise for us to consider? The second most common question was, if I'm already on Social Security, am I included or unincluded? Unfortunately, the answer as of right now is we just don't know, okay? As you do know, the Senate decided to take a break. So they floated an idea and then took off, kind of like someone who farts, leaves the room, and then you're left to deal with it. All right, now regarding the $450 a week program, the White House has actually responded to this. They haven't been responding to much. But Larry Kudlow of the White House said that this is an interesting incentive program, as it would incentivize people to get back to work. This program seeks to soften the blow of reopening businesses for both the business owner and to soften the blow of re-entering the workforce. It is also not known how this helps people that are still working, essential workers, social benefit program people, and those already on Social Security. Now, I want to say that this plan is divisive. My worry is a plan like this could cause an even bigger tear in the nation. There's a large portion of the population that has worked through the entire lockdown. They feel they deserve money, and this plan does not answer how it benefits them. There are many that have gone back to work and will feel that they were cheated for re-entering the workforce too early. There's a large portion of the population that has worked their whole life and retired, and now they worry that with ongoing income interruptions, stock market losses, and new bills, that they will also be disincluded. And there are people saying that you should be glad that you have a job, because I didn't want to lose my job and go without pay for 6 weeks only to get on unemployment for a few weeks. And others are saying, I get paid less to stay at my job than you do for sitting at home. And then, of course, there will be people that milk the system. I want you to know that I'm hearing you. I read your comments. I like the idea of getting people back to work, but this particular plan seems to upset the apple cart in many, many ways. And I just want to voice out loud for everybody just how unfair this whole situation has been. None of us asked for this. Those that are working and feel like they're putting their lives on the line, like, thank you for what you did. You should be benefited in some way. And those that lost jobs and, spent their entire life savings and then have been fighting with unemployment for weeks only to be rejected or accepted, this has truly been a terrible situation for hundreds of millions of people. And so I want to say that out loud. It's unfair. And the proposals that have come out recently don't seem fair either, in my opinion. So I'm hoping that as the Senate returns, that they will be talking about what is best for the most amount of people. And I'm hoping that government leaders will see the importance of reopening safely while giving a stimulus package to the people so that they can go back to work and that the economy can have money flowing again. I've said this so many times, money to the people is money to the economy. A stimulus to everyone under a certain income seems like the most fair way to make sure that everyone gets an equal piece of the pie while the country gets her legs back, under herself. This lockdown has hurt everyone in some way, and so they should look to find a plan that helps everyone stabilize themselves in some way. Hey, if you found this video helpful, will you please give it a like so YouTube will share it with others, and also share this on Facebook. Some of you are now saying that I look like the long-lost property brother from the hit show Property Brothers. Disney World announced that they plan to reopen with a smaller capacity starting July 11th. Michaela on my channel said it best. It shouldn't be the PPP program, it should be the RRR, which stands for Rehire, Retain, and Reopen. Lastly, I just want to give a big shout out to my wife, Casey, for making sure that we have a new sign every single day. She and I are trying to come up with some kind of gift card program for giving us a funny sign or a good quote. So I'll let you know as we know more. Hey, did you know that it costs nothing to join my channel? So I'm sure YouTube will put a picture of my face where you can easily hit the subscribe button. Thanks for being in my community, and I'll see you on the next video.